Hello and welcome to LCDK James. In this video, you are going to be feel peaceful and calm, happy. The special bond between nature and humans and what the role has played by Gemstones in this nature and as well in humans' life. So let's start our video. From the beginning of time, humans have depended on nature for food, water, and shelter. But nature does more than keep us alive. Nature makes us feel calm, happy, and full of life. A walk in the forest can make us feel better. The smell of flowers can make us smile. Looking at the ocean makes us feel free. One of the most amazing gifts from nature is gemstone. Found deep inside the earth, gemstones are made by heat, pressure, and time. These stones are not just beautiful, they hold nature's energy and power. For hundreds of years, people believed gemstones have a special power. Ancient Egyptians used lapis lazuli to stay safe. Indian wise men used quartz to heal. Ruby gives strength and courage. Emerald brings wisdom and peace. Rhodonite heals and balances emotion. Gemstones work with our natural energy to help us feel free and stronger. There is uncountable types of gemstones in the world and they have the different properties and powers. Gemstones are not just for wearing, their crystal shape hold energy. How the earth holds magnetic power. This is why gemstones are used in technology as well. When we wear gemstones, we carry a little piece of nature's energy with us. They help us feel more connected and grounded. In today's busy world, we sometimes forget how important nature is. Simple things like walking barefoot on grass, listening to the rain, or wearing a gemstone can bring us closer to nature. Gemstones remind us of the earth's beauty. They help us feel closer to nature and inspire us to take care of it. Gemstones not only connect us to the earth but also the universe. Ancient beliefs say that each gemstone holds the energy of the planets and stars. Astrology teaches us that gemstones can balance planetary influences in our life. For example, yellow sapphire is linked to Jupiter's wisdom, and blue sapphire is connected to Saturn's discipline. You don't need to be an expert to enjoy the power of gemstones. Wearing them as a jewelry, keeping them in your home, or meditating with them can bring peace and positivity. Sharing gemstones is like sharing a piece of nature's magic with others. Nature heals us in many ways. The sound of rain can calm our minds. The sunlight gives us energy. Gemstones, being a part of nature, carry these healing powers within them. Many believe that keeping gemstones near plants can help them grow stronger, showing how nature's energies work together. The ocean covers more than 70% of our planet. It is a source of life, providing food, oxygen, and a home for countless creatures. The ocean also inspires us, endless possibility, and its rhythm teach us patience. The sound of waves has a calming effect on our minds, connecting us to the natural flow of life. Some gemstones are gifted directly to the oceans. Pearls are created by oysters in the depth of the sea. Coral is become is gemstones in underwater. Gemstones remind us of the sea's beauty and its power to create something extraordinary. Nature is a part of us. The air, water, trees, and gemstones are gifts that help us live and grow. Let's take care of nature so it can take care of us. We hope this video is make your mind a peaceful connection with nature. For more these kinds of video, stay connected and like, share and subscribe our channel LCDK James. Thank you.